Can you save rupees 20 lakhs from your home loan? Yes, it is true. You can save lakhs of rupees just by linking saving account to your home loan account. If you already have a home loan or you are looking to have one in near future, then this is for you. Hey guys, I am Sandeep Pathak, founder of FinWorld Financial Services, a sportsman turned sales guy, now an entrepreneur and author, a top performer for home loans for leading banks. I am conducting a free 45-minute online home loan workshop where you will learn 3 top home loan secrets that nobody tells you in this market. What are these 3 secrets? Secret number 1, how interest rates work and how to choose best for you. Secret number 2, how interest rates are calculated and how it can benefit you. Secret number 3, how saving account can help you save lakhs of rupees from your home loan interest. You will also learn how to get best interest rate, save on home loan charges, process, TAT and other important aspects of your home loan. In short, you will learn everything important to take an informed decision about your home loan. You may wonder, why is this important to you? Do you know 31% customers pay higher processing charges. 44% customers pay around 20 to 25,000 to reduce their interest rates because banks doesn't do it automatically. 52% customers pay higher interest rates than what new customers pay. 63% customers are unhappy with automatic interest rate reductions by banks. If you are also facing similar challenges, then this masterclass is for you. Also, by joining Home Loan Masterclass, you get my free ebook, Money, Your Best Friend, worth Rs 299 and a chance to win gift vouchers worth Rs 25,000. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and learn the secrets to save lakhs from your home loan. See you in the masterclass.